Canon, blah, blah, blah. Support the official release.
Jax! Could you please just read it properly? Just give me that. I'll do it.
What? I literally was just... whatever.
Disclaimer. This video contains flashing lights and high contrast colors that might put a strain on some viewers' eyes. This is also a fan music video and not officially affiliated with Glitch Productions, Gooseworks, or the Amazing Digital Circus show. It's especially, and this is the important part, not canon. So, please support the official release.
Well, Raggy, honestly, I'm floored.
Ugh.
Are you really still here watching that YouTube kid slop? Man, I really thought people would have better taste nowadays. Maybe you could waste your time doing something more mature, like taxes. But I know you won't.
Wait, please give me a